Hello everyone. Today we move on to the next bit of the part of D block. The D block elements which helps to formation of a complex. Complex means coordination complex. Before to start this concept, we know little concept regarding to the coordination complex. Coordination complex are nothing but it's very simple. Example is cuprammonium sulfate. This is one of the best complex. Here this transition metal copper is in a metal, and so this is a formation of complex. So what is coordination complex? Coordination complex are nothing but a central metal which is ready to accept the electrons that donated by the ligands. Better we know here it is a central metal. This is called ligand. What are ligands? The ligands, they donate at least a pair of electrons to the central metal to form a stable salt is called complex. Coordination complex is a contribution of central metal and ligand or electron donor and electron acceptor. So many complex. Yes, K4, FeCN6 or either use K3, FeCN6. Cuprammonium sulfate, there is a potassium ferrocyanide and ferricyanide. So many complexes, coordination complexes are there. Cisplatin is also in a coordination complex. So the transition metals are easy to form a complex, means a formation of complex. Why the transition metal create the complex easily? Yes, you have the reason, friends, you keep in your mind. Transition metals are having very small inner size. Transition metals are having very small in size. Yes, they have a vacant d orbital. And high ionic charge. Due to these are the three very important reasons. The transition metals are very small in size. They are having availability of vacant d orbital. If you use availability of vacant d orbitals, and the third important, they are high ionic charge, that is one of variable oxidation states, the highest ionic charge. Due to these three reasons, transition metals easy to form a complex, and they can ready to accept the electrons, they are metal ions. So this is the same reason you can mention for 2 marks question or 1 mark question. So many times they ask why transition metal formation of a complex. You write down very simple answer: due to small size, availability of vacant d orbital and high ionic charge. So many times these options will be given for your competitive exam, friends. Which of the following statement is correct for the formation of a coordination complex? Yes, you keep in your mind either small size, vacant d orbital, or either highest ionic charge. Among these three, if you have any one answer, you can suggest the complex. This example: cuprammonium sulfate, ferrocyanide and ferricyanide. Yes, this is the major contribution to our complex formation. Okay. Okay friends, after this complex formation, now we have a very important category of D block or transition metals. They having catalytic properties. Yes, friends, you keep in your mind in surface chemistry or basic concept in PUC first year, what are catalysts? Catalyst which always alters the rate of reaction, I define once again: catalyst which alters the rate of reaction. It alters nothing but either it increases or either decreases the rate of reaction. The rate of reaction and the reaction speed increase decrease ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ, catalystಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Especially transition metals are the very good catalyst. As mentioned in the syllabus, iron is a good catalyst, nickel, vanadium in the form of vanadium pentoxide is a good catalyst. So many catalysts Copper is a dehydrogenation. So many transition metals are the good catalyst. Sir, the reason why transition metals are catalytic property. Like catalytic property is the common way, sir. Transition metals which alters the rate of reaction. That is the character of catalyst. Alters the rate of reaction. It is not a property. Yes, why, sir? Catalyst property, the first one, the transition metals are very small in size. They are very small in size. They cannot affect the reactants. Yes, this is very small in size. The very important second reason, variable oxidation state. They are having variable oxidation state. Variable oxidation state is nothing but unpaired electrons. Maximum number of unpaired electrons, which has to be easy to formation of a compound. And next one, vacant variable oxidation state. Yes, vacant d orbital. They are having vacancy of d orbital. Due to vacancy of d orbital, they can easy to formation of a catalytic behavior. And next important one, friends, they can easy to form. They can easy to form intermediate. They can easy to form the intermediate. Yes, what is the meaning of intermediates? Very simple, friends. Let us consider A and B are the reactants. A and B are the reactants. And they can combine together to form the product D. In the presence of C is our catalyst. Just to consider A and B are the reactants. To form the product D, in the presence of C is a catalyst. How the reaction is prolonged, sir? How the reaction is prolonged, this A can partially linked with C and C is partially linked with B once the reaction will start. So the A and B join it is partially first linked with C because C is a catalyst having small size, number of unpaired electron, vacant d orbital, and another important, they can easy to form the intermediate. Once they combine together to form a product D, along with catalyst. As usual, your C is your catalyst. They can easy to combine. Your A and B is an intermediate. Yes, A plus B is combined with the help of a catalyst C to form easy to. It means C, it helps to form an intermediate. It can easy to form an intermediate. Yes, due to the reason of maximum number of unpaired or either vacant d orbital, they can club both reactants, easy to form the product D. So obviously the rate of reaction increases. Friends, I repeat once again, the transition metals are very good catalyst due to the reason they are small size, variable oxidation states, shows unpaired electron, and availability of vacant d orbitals, and they can easy to formation of an intermediate. These are the simple general concept. If you want to know the examples, already we know, friends, and different examples of our syllabus is oils is undergoes reaction or hydrogenation with a nickel catalyst to easy to formation of a fat, that is formation of vanaspati, dalda formation only. It is a wonderful reaction of hydrogenation of the oils. Better sir, yes, sulfur dioxide is undergoes combustion with oxygen in presence of vanadium pentoxide to form your product is sulfur dioxide. Yes, if you want to balance carefully, yes, this is your component is a sulfur dioxide is easy to convert it into dioxide is converted into sulfur trioxide. Yes, another example, nitrogen is combined with hydrogen to formation of an ammonia. Yes, easy to formation of an ammonia. Yes, here also an iron is a catalyst. Molybdenum is a promoter. This is a catalytic reaction. So many transition metals are very good catalysts. So because of these reasons. In this video, friends, we have two concepts. One is transition metal form a complex S because of small size, vacant d orbital and high ionic charge. But here here the same concept, catalytic property, small size, vacant d orbital and variable oxidation state. One more the concept is formation of intermediate. This is a very simple story behind your d block or transition metal. Thank you so much friends. Keep practicing, and in the next video we have the last bit of the concept is a formation of alloys. Thank you so much.